is branching and how it all works. So, what branching is the execution of multiple different instructions based on conditions. And the key part is that these conditions affect the outcome of whatever you want to happen. And this is commonly used through if statements and if else statements. Let's say you're taking a test. Whenever you need to take a test, you always need to study. So let's make a little Boolean statement over here that represents that. And let's set it to true. Now, if you set it to true, that means you probably went down this route over here, the studied route. And because it's true and you studied, you're probably going to end up with a good grade like this. Now, let's go back to the beginning and let's change from true to false. Now, if you chose the false route, you probably went down this one right here, the didn't study. And since it's false and you didn't study, you probably got a not so good grade. So while the students are taking the test, the teachers are grading. So let's create a little variable over here. And let's set it to 99. Now, since 99 is greater than 90, it's going to apply to this condition over here. So once you go to that one, it will say that you passed with a really good score. Going back over here, let's change the score to 73. Now, 73 is not greater than 90, so it won't go here, but it is greater than 70, so it will go over here. And if we go to this statement over here, it will say that you passed, but with like an average score. Finally, we have everything else. So everything else applies to literally all the other numbers that are not stated here and here. So that means it cannot be greater than 90 and it cannot be greater than 70. So let's say 50. So for 50, we're going to go down here, and that means that you failed. But essentially, that is the if-else statements of branching.